Hello children and welcome to your EVS class. I am Mrs. Ruchita Singh and I am going to teach you new chapter of EVS. I hope all of you must be taking good care of yourself and must have done your UT1 exams very well. Now our studies will move further towards our half-yearly exam. But before moving further, let me remind you of the situation which is prevailing in our country or in fact in our world. We are suffering from COVID-19 problem and the problem is still not over. Hundreds of people are being infected daily. So children, what we have to do? We have to take extra care of ourselves and we have to do friendship with 5 or 6 things daily. And what are these 6 things daily which we have to use? Here, collected the things to show you which you should use daily. And the first thing is sanitizer. Before and after going out of your house, you have to sanitize your hands very well. And you know how to sanitize it properly? Okay children, so that if any virus are there in your hand, it will die at that very moment. Then you have to use your mask. Where if you are going out of your house, or if your parents are going out of your house, advise them to use mask. And how to use the mask? It should be not like this, but it should be like this. Your nostrils should also be covered, properly covered. Then you have to use gloves. Don't forget to use gloves also. Okay children, so that if you touch any surface which is infected, then your hands will not get infection. Then there are many types of sanitizer you can use. Then children, there is a one more thing. It is called surface disinfectant spray, which you can use to kill germs which are spread on the tabletop, chair top, or in your house. You can just spray it to kill the germs of your surrounding. There is Dettol also, which we are using from very old times. This also you can use daily for cleaning your house. So children, these precautions are very much needed. And one more thing, like if you are using vegetables or fruits in your home, then you will wash them properly and sanitize them also before using them. It's not like that before, while your father or your mother used to bring fruits from the market, you just used to wash it once and then you used to have it. But not, this situation going on is very horrible and you have to take good care of yourself children to be protected. Now all will take care of yourself and use these things. Moving further to our chapter number 6. Now before starting the chapter, let me tell you one story. There was a little girl and one day she had her dinner and then she went to sleep at night. And now in the morning when she wake up, everybody in the house was shouting. They were shouting, "Come out of the house, there is water all around." And the whole house was surrounded with water. Water was coming inside the house. First it was near the road, then it came inside the house, then started entering all the rooms of the house. So children, what is this situation called? Yes, you guessed it right. It is called flood. And what are floods? It's a kind of a natural calamity. So children, the new topic which we are going to study today is known as natural calamities. Okay children, now we learn what are natural calamities. Natural calamity is an event that occurs naturally and is not in control of humans. It is not in control of humans. What does this mean? That those activities which happens naturally हमने उसमें कुछ नहीं किया है. Someday, one of the day we wake up, we were sleeping and wake up to find out that earthquake आया था आज, या flood, there is flood in our area, or in the nearby ocean there is tsunami waves, or in Rajasthan there is a situation of drought. So children, what are these? These are natural calamities. If we split the word into two parts, first one is natural. And what is natural? That which is not artificial, जो हमने नहीं बनाया, which is made by God, is called natural. And what is calamity? Calamity means difficult situation. Okay children, any kind of situation in which we are in difficulty and we have not created it, it is created by nature. So moving further, in this chapter we'll study about 4 types of natural calamities. First one is floods, then drought, then earthquake and tsunami. So let's move further to find out what are floods. So children, let's find out what are the causes of flood. आखिर flood क्यों आते हैं? So children, let me tell you one thing, that we humans, because of our growing need and growing population, are cutting trees. We are cutting trees, है ना? हम लोग रोज रोज पेड़ को काट रहे हैं. And when we are cutting trees, what is happening? Situation of deforestation is going on. Deforestation हो रहा है. What क्या हो रहा है? पूरे के पूरे फॉरेस्ट कट जा रहे हैं. There is lack of trees, green trees. And when there is situation of deforestation, it causes temperature rise. टेम्परेचर, हमारे आसपास का टेम्परेचर बढ़ने लगता है. इट मीन्स दैट वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग वार्म, हमें गर्मी लगने लगती है, और द टेम्परेचर अराउंड अस स्टार्ट्स rising. Suppose the temperature today is 35 degrees Celsius, it will become 40, then it will become 45, 50, and it will start growing higher and higher. And what is the effect of this growing temperature? It causes snow to melt. जो हमारे mountain and Himalaya ranges हैं, they are covered by snow. Everybody knows that all the Himalayas are covered by snow. And due to the rise in temperature, these snow starts melting. ये snow पिघलने लगती है. Once they start melting, they become water and they start overflowing our rivers. हमारे rivers जो कि पहले से ही already full है, because monsoon season is going on, rainy season is going on, all the rivers and the oceans are already filled. And the snow which is melting continuously due to rise in temperature are making it overflow. And once the ocean and the river overflows, the water start coming to our house, to our city, to our house, and it comes inside and submerges in all the areas. And then this situation is called flood. We start saying that flood has occurred. Now children, since we have known the cause of the flood, there are certain precautions to be needed to be done during the time of flood. If now that you have known that your area is submerged into flood, what will you do? What can you do to protect yourself from flood? First of all, you will keep your radio on. Keep your radio on all the time. है ना? Why radio on? Why not television? Because once the situation of flood is there, you will switch off all your electricity. Switch it off. Disconnect it from the main switchboard. Why? Because we all know that water is the good conductor of electricity, and you will caught in the current due to water all around you. So once all the electrical appliances like TV, fridge, AC, and there are many items are being switched off, then the only electricity item or the only item which can connect you to the whole world is radio, which can run without electricity. So you have to keep it on. Your radio should be on so that any news from government side or from local authorities are telling you to do something, you can hear the news from the radios. Then what else? Switch off the electricity. Then keep flashlights, candles and matchbox handy. Okay children, now that you know that the situation of flood has arrived and you have switched off the electricity board also, during night there will be darkness all around you. So in order to be on the safer side, you should keep flashlight torches, candles and matchboxes with you. Then you should also keep adequate amount of food items, खाने का सामान, medicines and clean drinking water with you. Suppose you have known that flood situation has arisen in your city and the water may come inside your house very soon, then you will start storing adequate food items in your house. Then medicines also, because the shop may close and you may not go out of, may not be able to go out of your house. So these things should be there. Then you are not allowed to swim in the flood water. Never swim in flood water, and don't you dare to drive your vehicle during floods, to be on the safer side. Then last and the least, if all the precautions you are taking and then also you are in danger, then you have to call the Army Risk Operations. The toll-free numbers will be provided to you through your radios. Call the army immediately for your help. So children, I hope the first type of natural calamity is very clear to you and the causes and the precautions should be taken by you. Now children, the main important thing is that you all know, although that this natural calamity is arising due to nature and it is not humans, it is not made by us, but somewhere we are responsible for the creation of floods. How? I've told you, the situation of flood is arising due to deforestation, that is cutting of trees. And if we stop cutting of trees, then the situation of flood may be in control. So how will you stop cutting the trees? Due to increase in demand and increase in population, there is no other option than to cut trees and to make our house, to make books and to for fuel and for many other purpose. There is no option other than cutting trees. But as a children, you can do one thing. You can plant more new trees. And our children, suppose one tree is being cut for some purpose, then it's your duty that you have to plant at least 10 more new trees in your surrounding, so that there is a balance in nature. And if we are going to disturb the balance of nature, then only the natural calamities occur. So try to keep a balance. बहुत ढेर सारे पेड़ कट रहे हैं, so what is your duty to, in order to, ये कटने वाला balance है which is going down, और लगाने वाला it should also go up, है ना? इसको भी ऊपर होगा और ये भी ऊपर होगा. जब ये बराबर हो जाएंगे तो there will be a balance in the nature and there will be no natural calamities occurring. So being a student, it's your duty to contribute in our society by planting more and more trees. Okay children, I hope you must have understood the concept of floods and natural calamity very well. If you have understood the chapter, try to read your book very well and to try to do the exercises at the end of your chapter. And thank you for watching this video.